Introducing the stunning 2022 Volvo Xc40 Phev T4 Inscription 5 door auto in sleek black. This hybrid beauty boasts a powerful 1.5-litre engine, blending petrol with electric for efficiency. With automatic transmission and estate body style, this Volvo is as practical as it is stylish. Loaded with comfort and technology, features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and ambient lighting, this vehicle is sure to impress. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Rest assured, knowing this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and includes a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Contact us today at Spirit Motor Group, IE, for more information. Drive away in luxury and peace of mind with the Volvo Xc40 Phev T4 Inscription.